Hi, this is Stacy, and this is a tutorial about Demibooks Composer. Now, this tutorial is to show you an ideal way to set up your layered Photoshop files to prepare to import into Composer. So I'm just going to take you on a little tour of my page 3 for the book I'm doing called Hey Smart Mouth, which is about teeth and about dental health. So this is page 3 called Meet Your Teeth, and it's to show children all the different kinds of teeth, the incisors, the canines, premolars, and molars. And the effects I expect to have on this page, of course, these two yellow arrows are going to turn the page, previous and next, and those are going to be global throughout the book. So I have those on their own layer, which you can see here. I can turn on and off. I also have the text blocks all together in one group so that I can edit those separately. I have all the incisor teeth together, I have all the canine teeth together, and so on. Within those groups of the incisors, because this is a very busy page, that's why I'm organizing them as best I can. Within incisors, I have individual teeth named, so tooth 1, tooth 2, and tooth 3. So each one is an individual object. But what I ultimately need to do is make each individual one of these a PNG file. So for example, tooth number 3 with a drop shadow, I'd like to be on its own file, and many people don't realize, but you can actually save the soft shadow as well to be cut out in a PNG file. So I'm going to show you how I do that with tooth number 3. I have tooth number 3's layer selected, and I say edit, I say select all, so that it selects the whole page. It's just the easiest thing. Copy, and then File, New, and it will create a new document based on what is in the clipboard. So the width, the exact height, the resolution I had chosen in the original document, background contents are transparent, and I say OK. So now I have this new canvas, and the checkerboard indicates transparency. So I'm going to paste tooth number 3 onto this canvas. But unfortunately, it does not show the drop shadow. It did not translate that effect. So I'm going to undo that, go back here, and I'm going to try dragging it into that space instead. So when I drag it to the other document, it actually brings the drop shadow. It's a little more time consuming, but it's effective. So now I have a tooth with a soft drop shadow on a transparent background, and I say File, Save As, navigate to where I want to go, Teeth Cutouts, and call it Tooth 3, and make sure to save it as a PNG file. Save. No interlacing, and I'm done. Notice it still says Untitled 1, so it looks like it hasn't saved, but if you go and try to open tooth number 3, it is there, and you can see here in the preview that it is a tooth with a soft drop shadow called tooth03.png. These are the kinds of files that you want to import into Composer, individual editable PNG files.